Back everyone, our bodies are amazing things. You skin your knee, it heals on its own. Cut your hair, it grows back. Break a bone, it will mend in time. Imagine if you could harness that healing power and direct it into your bad knee or hip or back. There's a clinic in Chesterfield that's doing exactly that, and it's drawing people from across the country and around the world. Arthur is a retired dairy farmer. Jean lives in Iowa and has traveled here more than once. Joanna came all the way from Poland. But they all have something in common. They found relief from debilitating pain, without surgery, without joint replacement, and without medication.
Bluetail Medical Group is a clinic focused on regenerative medicine.
That may be a phrase you've never heard before. So what is regenerative medicine?
So your body normally repairs things with your own internal stem cells. Every 2 years, a joint's a different joint. Every 7 years, your heart's a different heart. Every 15 to 30 years, your brain's a different brain.
The physicians at Bluetail specialize in harnessing your body's own healing ability and focusing that healing in your problem areas.
I sort of call myself a glorified delivery boy. So really, my goal is to deliver the right cells or acellular growth factors to the right patient, to the right target, at the right time, and then we get right regeneration.
Still confused? Let's make this very simple. The experts here at Bluetail take some of your own blood and bone marrow, spin it at a very high rate of speed to isolate your stem cells and plasma, and then inject those powerful healing cells back into you, wherever you're feeling those aches and pains.
The joints that we see the most are certainly knees, because knee osteoarthritis is so prevalent in our society. Ankles and thumbs and elbows. And then it goes to shoulders and knees, and then hips do very well.
Over those years, Dr. Crane's patients have had so much success with these kinds of treatments that they've asked him about non-orthopedic issues, things like hair loss, skin rejuvenation, and urinary incontinence. With demand for those kinds of services growing, Dr. Crane brought Christine Schrader on board.
We're treating sexual health issues, or people who are losing their hair, or even aesthetic facial regeneration, rejuvenation. So those are some of the treatments that I do. Sexual wellness for both men and women, erectile dysfunction, Peyronie's disease in men, for women, stress urinary incontinence. We've had probably close to a 95% success rate.
What does the FDA say about regenerative medicine?
The FDA certainly has guidelines in place that we follow closely. We've met with them even recently to discuss how we should help them move forward.
I treat each patient individually according to what their needs are.
Our job is to provide the most efficient and caring and effective treatment to the patient that we can at the lowest possible cost that we can.
Bluetail Medical Group has offices in Chesterfield, Columbia, and Farmington, Missouri, not to mention 2 in Arkansas, 1 in Green Bay, and another in Naples, Florida. But it all started with Dr. Crane right here in the St. Louis area. Check out their website, bluetailmedicalgroup.com, or call them 636-778-2900.